Hello everyone. This has been a year like no other. Who would have thought that this time last year we'd be in the middle of this pandemic? Despite everything, we at Ysgol Ty Ffynnon have carried on regardless and provided distance learning to our children when needed during lockdown, and when we became the hub school for Shotton for key workers children way back in March. Who would have thought this would be still carrying on? We have been lucky so far, keeping our children safe in a very uncertain world. In all of this, we have still strived to do our best for the children of this school. We recently received the ADHD Friendly School Award, the first in Wales. This has given us the hat-trick of firsts in Wales, having previously received the accolade of the first school in Wales to be a Numicon Advocate School, and also the first school in Wales to receive the National Nurture Schools programme. We are very proud of our achievements, and this is down to the commitment and dedication of staff at all levels, and for this I thank them very much. Please may I take this opportunity to wish each and every one of you a very happy Christmas and a safe Christmas, and respect one another, and here's to a better 2021. Nadolig llawen a blwyddyn newydd gwell.
Never guess what you'll get from me. Christmas is funky, Christmas is cool. Hope you have a really good Yule. Christmas is funky, Christmas is cool. Hope you have a really good Yule. Rockin', rockin', Christmas rock. Rockin', rockin', Christmas rock. Claus to be stacked, cars to sing, trees to be decked in sparkling paint. Parties to go to, fun to be had. Always be good and never bad. Christmas is funky, Christmas is cool. Hope you have a really good Yule. Christmas is funky, Christmas is cool. Hope you have a really good Yule. Rockin', rockin', Christmas rock. Rockin', rockin', Christmas rock. Christmas is funky, Christmas is cool. Hope you have a really good Yule. Christmas is funky, Christmas is cool. Hope you have a really good Yule. Rockin', rockin', Christmas rock. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits rise. We'll fly into glory till the sleigh starts to ride. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Now the ground is wide, birds are in row, take the dust in hand, sing a sleighing song. Here's a polka parade, calling for the street, and hitch him to the open sleigh, and you'll take the lead. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
I heard a noise on the rooftop. It made my heart go jump. The stomp of boots and the clop of hooves rang clippity, clippity, clump. Oh, I heard a noise on the rooftop. I wonder what it was. I really ho, 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 it's Santa Claus. Oh, I heard a noise on the rooftop. It sounded like a sleigh. I went to bed on Christmas Eve and now it's Christmas Day. Oh, I heard a noise on the rooftop. I wonder what it was. I really ho, 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 it's Santa Claus. All the sleigh bells that go jingle are making that jingle noise. And the man they call Kris Kringle lots of toys. Oh, I heard a noise on the rooftop, and now I can't sleep because I'm really ho 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 in Santa Claus. Let's go!
All the sleigh bells that go jingle are making that jingle noise. And the man they call Quiz Kringle is bringing me lots of toys. Oh, I heard a noise on the rooftop. Now I can't sleep because I really hope it's Santa Claus. Come on, Tom, run home. Oh, I heard a noise on the rooftop. Now I can't sleep because I really hope it's Santa.
Ho 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 ho, it's Santa.
Really hope it's Santa
Santa, I just found the letter from class 4. Hope you enjoy it.
Dear Santa, 2020 has been a very tough year, so it's time to end it with festivities and cheer. We thought that we'd like to send you our list of things that we'd like so you get the gist. Christmas is a time for loving and sharing, and not to forget that we need to be caring. Peace in the world and goodwill to all. We really are sure you'll agree that's a good call. Hope for the future and good health to all people, along with the church bells that ring out from the steeple. The most important thing that we'd like you to send is our thanks to those who work hard and good friends. Finally here in class 4, we just want to say, we really do hope you have a fantastic Christmas day. Lidali Cow and Ready?
Ho, ho, ho.
Hold on, Cratchit. Click through Kaledo. Sail balloons.
Lidali Cow.
Merry Christmas.
Čestita koleda.
Feliz Natal.
Kusenski Mubarak.
Crenshaw Fevici.
Wesołych świąt. Moto Noile.
عيد ميلاد سعيد.
dangos i'n chwele.
Christmas Piros Day!